in one of your papers. June 2014, question 4 to 6. Impossible means it will never happen. Unlikely means it's got a less than even chance, is a small chance of happening. Even chance means it's the same chance of happening as not, like tossing a coin and getting a tail. Likely means there's more chance of happening than it not happening. And certain means it's bound to happen. So the probability you get an odd number when spinning the spinners is every number on there is odd. So because every number is odd, it's going to be certain. You win the raffle when 200 tickets are sold and you have bought one. So the fraction of that would be 1 out of 200. It's a very small chance. So because it's very small chance, you say unlikely. Okay, it's not impossible because you have got a chance of winning. You get an even number when a dice is rolled once. There's 3 even numbers out of 6, which is 3 over 6 or 1 half. So it's an even chance, 1 half, even chance. It's the same chance of getting an odd as an even because it's the same numbers on there. Question 5. The next term in each of the sequences, you're looking at the gaps. So that one's going up in 6, that one's adding 6, that one's adding 6. So next one is adding 6. 33 add 6 is 39. This one, you're going down, and it's not going down by the same amount. So this one is take away 6, take away 5, take away 4. So next one is going to be take away 3, which is 44. Describe in words the rule for what's happening here. It's going down. So it's either taken away by different amounts, but there's no pattern. So it's dividing. 48 divided by something is 12. How many 12s in 48? How many 3s in 12? The answer is 4. So you're dividing by 4. Remember, it says in words, so it must be in words. So if we just wrote divide by 4 like that, it'd be wrong. Okay? It must be in words. This one, P is equal 3 times A plus 4 times B, take away 6 times C. 3 times A, 3 times 2 plus 4 times 3, take away 6 times minus 1. Right, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, sorry, 4 3s are 12. Minus 6 times minus 1. A minus times a minus equals a positive. 6 1s are 6. Add them together. 6 add 12 is 18. Add 6 is 24. The next one. Collecting your x's together. 5x add 2x makes 7x. 7x take away 3x is 4x. So 7x take away 3x is 4x. Next question, number 6. Right. The perimeter of that shape. You have 2 rectangles, each 9 centimeters by 3 centimeters, and an overlapping rectangle, 8 centimeters by 3 centimeters, are placed so that they make a H shape shown in a diagram. Calculate the perimeter. The rim of the shape, the perimeter is the outside. So I need to first of all work out all the lengths, okay, and then add them up around the outside. Right, each square, okay, because this is 3, this is going to be 3 here, this is going to be 3 centimeters here because it tells me there, and so there you've got to be 3. This one there, because there's 9 all the way up, is also going to be 3. The one inside has got to be a 3. This one's got to be a 3. Right, this one across, because it makes 8, 3 add 3 is 6, so the bit in the middle there is a 2. And then the last 2 here are 3. Depending how you want to do it, you've got to add it up. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to walk around the shape. To get from the bottom to the top, there's a 9. Then there's a 3 across, then a 3 down, then a 2 across, then a 3 up, then a 3 across, then there's 9 down, and there's a 3 inside, and another 3. I'm here now, a 2 across, down another 3, and in another 3. And then you count them all up. So you're counting them all up. I've been round the shape. 9 add 3 is 12, 15, 17, 20, 23, 32, 35, 38, 40, 43, 46 centimetres. Centimetres for perimeter. Make sure you don't just put an answer down. Make sure it's clear what you're adding up to get the marks on this question. Do not be silly and just try and add them up without writing it down, and you throw a silly mark away if you make a mistake. Some of you might realise I could have just added 8 across rather than doing 3, add 2, add 3. And similarly at the bottom here. Right, part B. Calculate the area of the shape. For this, I'm going to split it into 3 shapes. I'm going to have a big, long rectangle here. I'm going to call number 1. I'm going to have a small rectangle in the middle. I'm going to call 2. And I'm going to have another rectangle here, which I'm going to call 3. To find the area of 1, the area of a rectangle is length times width. So it's 9 is the length, width is a 3. So 1 is 9 times 3, which is 27. 2 in the middle is 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6. And the 1 at the end is 3 times 9 again, because it's 3 across, 9 up. So that one is going to be 3 times 9, or 9 times 3, which is 27. And I'm going to add them up. I haven't quite lined the 6 up, so I'm going to come over here and do it so the 6 is below the 7. Let's add them up. 7 add 6 is 13. Add the 7 is 20. Note down, carry the 2. 2 add 2 is 4. Add the 2 is 60. Right, so my answer is 60 centimetres squared. You get the mark for the units. So make sure you put the units in. Area, centimetres squared.